There is an urgent need for affordable CD4 enumeration to monitor HIV disease in resource-limited regions. This video demonstrates a low-cost point-of-care screening test in which CD4 counts are determined based on the presence of the proteinase inhibitor alpha-1-PI in saliva. To do this, the subject or patient is first given a lemon drop to stimulate exudation of serous fluid into the saliva. The saliva is collected in a specimen cup and transferred to a 96 Weill assay plate. Then, a saturating amount of the proteinase porcine pancreatic elastase is added to the saliva, where it binds and inhibits alpha-1-PI. Next, colorimetric elastase substrate is added. Any remaining unbound elastase cleaves the substrate, resulting in a color change from clear to yellow. Kumasi blue is added to the wells to stain total protein, and colorimetric measurements are taken using a microplate reader. Ultimately, the ratio of alpha-1-PI to total protein is determined and used to accurately assess CD4 counts based on an index value.
There are several advantages of this technique over the existing method, which is flow cytometry. The assay can be done in the field without collecting blood, which is traumatizing and expensive, without using monoclonal antibodies, which are expensive, without technical education, and without the need for refrigeration or sample transport. This method overcomes a critical barrier in AIDS intervention and should have a major impact on the cost and health outcomes of patients and the frequency of HIV transmission, all of which have a major impact on the global economy.
This method can provide insight into how alpha-1-PI